So this experiment has been, I could say, very successful, because thinking of an idea and then working on that and then bringing it to a very successful end, that is a very challenging task. And this all has been possible because of the wholehearted support, commitment and dedication of the mentors. Because what I could see during these 4 months, that these interns they were self-motivated. That's why they came and they continued with us for the 4 months. But the mentors who have given their time on the holidays, Saturdays, Sundays, evening, that's worth appreciation.
Life skills application. What is it? SDG, save energy and calculate if all switches are on, all switches are off. When you're teaching electricity in 6th, 7th, 8th, make them responsible citizens and connect it to good values, good stories, and you succeed. Like success, they'll remember throughout when you do this way. Otherwise, if you teach textbooks, well, teachers, you will get bored and they'll get bored.
Living with the new normal now, that with the requirement of this NCF and NEP, what's going to happen? So your journey with Udaan has taught you the 4 key things: critical thinking, creativity and innovation, collaboration and communication. Driving 4 C's for learning skills. 21st century skills, Udaan integrated these skills for you.
Udaan is not only an internship program led by certain organizations, run by various mentors, no. It's a national movement, it's a national initiative, and you all have been an integral part of this national initiative. What else we can be proud of?
So first up is Domain 1, designing hands-on activities using daily life and waste materials. Big thank you to the domain mentor, Ms. Anamika Jain, for being an integral part of the entire journey.
Can we all have claps wherever you are?
Mastering the art of questioning and designing quality assessments in physics. Again, a big thank you to Dr. Shruti Chopra ma'am and Tanya ma'am.
Congratulations, Ashika, Janvi.
Domain 3, pedagogical practices in physics. Shout out to Rani ma'am for mentoring the domain so well.
Yes. Congratulations, Jyoti, Nikita, Prital and Yogita.
Domain 4A, mastering the fundamentals in physics. Gratitude to Anuradha ma'am.
Yes, for sure.
These are the 3.
Congratulations, Deepa. Congratulations, Yashoda. And congratulations, Dr. Nisha Sharma. Many congratulations. Now, Domain 4B, led by Mr. Naveen Tiwari. Many thanks to you, sir, for all your commitment and dedication to Project Udaan. Congratulations, Charika and Bhavik. Thank you.
I started Udaan journey. I was simple teacher and all, and even my reflection I mentioned that I made my lab basket. My children toy basket converted into a lab basket now. I have all the materials in there, and easily I can take it from any activities. Instantly I can perform with my students.
Really, it was a very wonderful journey, and the main part that how you crafted this, that like we are learning from Anuradha ma'am as well, from Tanya ma'am as well. So this kind of setup is really very impressive.
Many courses we usually attend even online as well as offline, but this internship is special to, I think, to all of us. It has a long lasting impression. अब हम कहीं भी जाएं, कोई हमसे पूछेगा ना, do you know about STEM or STEAM, you know about NEP, you know about experiential pedagogy, you know about hands-on activities, we cannot say, हमारा मन भी नहीं कहेगा कि आप ना कह दो, because we have done this now.
And to our interns, the heart of this flame, you kept Udan alive, you carried the name. Through research, through trials, through classes each day, you brought new joy to students in every way. You could have given up, that was very easy, but you chose to stay, exploring, creating, finding new ways, living physics with passion so true. Udan exists because of you.